Hi everyone. So in last video we saw that how we can add routes in our application. So currently our application is looking like we have home, we have about, we have contact. But if I will click on about, we are not able to go to about page. But if I will go straight and write about, it will start working. Same goes for the contact. But this is not a good user experience because we want that users should click on the navigation for redirection. So how we are going to do this? So let's understand the not new feature, but one more feature of our React router. This actually help us in enabling the routing. We have a href. Basically this is the HTML tag which we use to link two HTML pages together. In React router we have similar, so we will write import and we have link, and what we are going to do is we are going to import it from React router. Let me React router DOM. Now what we have to do is we have to change, instead of a we have to make it link. So here also it will be enclosed one, and instead of href we have to write 2. So this is the difference when we have React routing and we want to do linking or activate our navigation or any route. Instead of a tag we use link, and instead of href we use 2. Under the hood this will be get converted to a tag, which I will show you once I will run the code. But now let's talk about this, what the value will come here. So right now this is home, so it would be simple. We will have hash. For about we will just write about. Now why we are just writing about? So let's go to our routes app routers, and if you will see the path name, so here I have written about, so this should match to this. So this is very important. If your the value you have in 2 is not matching your route path, your navigation is not gonna work. So please remember this. So let's go back, refresh, and let's click on home. Now you can see we are going to home. If I will click on about, we are on about. If we will go on contact, we are on contact. Now let's do one typo to see if it will break. So what we are gonna do is in navigation, instead of contact I will add contacts, and let's go back to about and let's click here. Now can you see 404 not found? The reason is because in our app router the path name is contact, but we have written into contacts, so that's why we are getting this error. Now before we jump to the next topic, let me show you the code also. So under the hood, as I told you, though we are writing link, it is generating a and href. So link become a and 2 become href. Okay, so I hope this helped you to understand that how you can make your routes to be to be able to navigate it through a navigation or a link in your React application. Having said this, there are different kind of navigation which we will start looking one by one. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.